Hey everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the Adventure GTX short glove from Klim. All right, so if you are shopping for an adventure touring glove that's going to get you around the world, handle anything Mother Nature can throw at you, and offer great protection, well, then the Adventure GTX short would be a really good offering. As a premium glove coming from Klim, you're going to make an investment here around 180 bucks, but at that price point, as we go through and talk about it, you will see a lot of great features, a lot of technicality built into this glove. But before we do that, let's talk about fitment real quick. I am wearing a size medium. Size medium is what I wear in just about any other glove, but for me, the GTX does fit large. If I were going to buy this glove, I would actually go down to a size small, so just keep that in mind. But remember, this is an apparel item. This goes for any glove that we sell at Rocky Mountain. If you're not happy with the size or the fitment, we have our fit guarantee, which means you can send it back to us in brand new unused condition. We want to make sure you get the size and fit that you are looking for, so we give you free shipping both ways on your first exchange. Now, when we talk about fit with the Adventure GTX, something else I want to point out, it has the Klim articulated fit to it. So this glove is going to be the happiest in that riding position when you're gripping the bike. And what I like about that is, one, I don't feel really any bunching here of excess material in the palm. And overall, I just like the fit and the finish that they have with this glove. Now up here at the top, you've got Velcro tab here to close it down. Here's one nitpick that I do have about this. As you notice here, you have this gusset, but when I really want to cinch that down, you can just see I've got a little bit of extra material here that kind of bunches up, so it would be nice to see some of that material go away. That way I can just do a little bit better job of cinching that down without having that bunch up here around the wrist. But overall, again, I do like the fit. I like the overall feel that you get. Also, keep in mind, when we talk about construction, your full goat skin leather, it's a stretch woven leather, super high quality, but if you get a size and you feel like it fits just a little bit small right out of the packaging, be patient. Leather's gonna break in, it's gonna stretch out a little bit, so just keep that in mind when you put these on for the first time. But if we talk about construction, like I said, premium glove, full goatskin leather construction, is stretch woven leather, super high quality, it's gonna last you an incredibly long time. You're gonna get that here on the palm as well as on the back of the hand. You're also gonna be GORE-TEX, guaranteed to keep you dry, guaranteed for life. And also what I like too is that they have their GORE grip technology with this glove. And what that means is that the waterproof liner, that GORE-TEX liner, is bonded to the shell. So when you put the glove on, what that GORE grip is doing is not allowing that waterproof liner to really slide around inside the glove. So it's just gonna give you a little bit better feel and feedback when you're actually gripping the bike. So if you look at the back of the hand, we'll start at the top and we're just gonna work our way down. So like I said, you've got that Velcro tab up here at the top. If you look here, you got a mixture of that goatskin leather on the back as well as some textile material. When you get to the knuckle, it's going to be a floating knuckle design. It's a carbon fiber knuckle. So I like that floating design that way. It's just going to help the glove have good stretch when you have it on. But also you notice that underneath that carbon fiber knuckle, you've got pour-on XRD padding. So high quality padding underneath that. But also you have a ceramic material over top of that carbon fiber knuckle. So they've actually put that ceramic material in the high abrasion areas so that there is more likely to, if you were to go down, more likely for the glove to slide. So you've got that here over top the knuckles. You've noticed that you've got it right here on top of the wrist. And then as you work your way down, you're gonna see you've got these 3D silicone pads here on your first 3 fingers, which also have that ceramic material over the top. But before you get there, as you work your way down, you can see you've got these slits in that leather. That's just gonna help again with that flexibility of the glove. Looking at the left index finger, nice big squeegee. I'm a big fan of those. If you get caught in some rain, you need a way to wipe the water off your shield. So they have a nice large squeegee there. Both the index and the thumb, they call it their multi-touch. Both of these will work on your smart screen. And the reason that I like that is that that's just going to allow you to pinch to zoom in and out when you're using your smart screen, your tablet, your GPS, whatever it might be. Now as we turn it over, we look at the palm. Again, I like this. Reinforcement panels here. Again, you got goat skin stretch woven, super high quality. When you feel this leather, you know it's a super premium leather. And then also when you look here at the fingers, what I like about that, you'll notice that you've got these gaps here before you get to those reinforcement panels over the fingers. That just allows, again, a little bit more flex, a little bit more comfort for the glove. And something else I really like that I noticed when I put this on, you can tell Klim did a lot of research with this. You can see you've got all this stitching, but when you have this glove on, I don't feel any of that stitching, so it's not something that you need to worry about. Also, what I like about the articulated fit is that when you actually are gripping the bike and putting your hand on that grip, you're not gonna really have any bunching of that material here at the palm. So again, just really like that fit that they have there. As you work your way down, you got more of that pour-on XRD padding here on the heel, and again, there's that ceramic material that you're gonna have over top of that as well. Think about a rider going down hands first, you want the glove to slide, so that's why they have that ceramic material right there on that heel. Now with this glove, if I had one nitpick, I would would say if I was Klim, maybe add a little bit of protection here on the outside of the thumb and also on the outside of the pinky here. It'd be nice to see maybe some TPR, some sort of material there for some impact absorption, but also just to help the glove slide a little bit better if the rider were to go down. But overall, again, super premium construction, great protection scheme. Your GORE-TEX guaranteed to keep you dry. This thing is built to take you around the world. If you have any other questions about the Adventure GTX short glove, leave your questions or comments below. We'll get those answered. To pick up your sets, real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Do not forget, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, we got a lot more just like it for a lot of other great dual sport adventure touring gloves. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way you stay up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.